Got the Black & Machine apples on there. Made by Alexander. Pay attention to detail. Yes, sir. About to hook the Range Rover up, man. Put them on there. And of course, your favorite cousin, you know, I gotta have more than one thing going at one time, man. You know what I'm saying? Boy putting them things, that goes James putting them things on that Range Rover. Ooh, they got the Toyota up here. Yes, sir. They got the thing on the Toyota. You know what I'm saying? You know how they go. Just doing what we do, baby. Yeah. I'll show you the wheel they finna get on this Toyota. Yes, sir. Ooh, yes, sir. Got the Camry done. Ooh. I like that. That's a nice little look. That's a nice little look right here. I mess with this. Man, look, favorite cousin, all you gotta do, I'm here all day, every day. All I gotta do is just come holler at me. What up, it's your boy? Got my baby with me.
Hey.
We on our way to the Redbirds game. Ain't that? Yeah, the Redbirds. It's a little semi-pro baseball team here in Memphis. Finna go ahead to that game.
We don't have on no baseball clothes. We just got off of work, so we did not change.
Yeah, I don't know what baseball clothes, but I think I'm pretty sure I got t-shirts and jeans on. With my boots. I got my boots on. Yeah, I wear boots, for sure. But yeah, we going over here. One of the, my vendors, one of the places we order tires from, and wheels too. We get wheels from them too. Yeah, they treating us to a baseball game. Look, I'm following OG. I don't know where he, you know, he like to drive fast, so I'm about to put that phone down in a minute. But yep, going out here, so I guess this was like a work trip, like a work thing.
Work event.
A work event. That's what we're gonna call it. So me and baby going with me to my work event.
Yep.
With her work clothes on. Baby be dressed up for work, so like she real dressed up.
I don't mind being overdressed. I just don't want to be underdressed.
Underdressed. It's a baseball game. Anyway, yo, we ride. So look, he already trying to pull out. See how far he trying to go. So look, favorite cousin gonna get back with you. Here we go.
Man.
We out here about to go to the game. What is one of them slingshots? You rode on one?
I saw one.
For real? What it was like?
Amazing.
Amazing. Look toward amazing. Look at me. Talking about, so I know where the park is. Gotta find parking. We gonna walk into the game.
Walking, we do around the job.
I was trying to tell you.
I went to the doctor's office today. And
Here we go. Here we go.
Yeah.
Downtown.
How much time?
I can see what's going on down here. Not too much, really. It is bike night. Some people got their bikes out. Yeah, bike night on Wednesday night. But that is right at LG. Bike night on Wednesday nights, ain't it?
Yeah.
But that ain't too many out tonight, though. But yeah, that's the FedEx Forum where the Grizzlies play. We going to the, getting kind of spicy out here, though. We had, she got the long sleeve on.
I had a blaze on.
If I had a blaze on, that job been wet. You know what I'm talking about? It's great wet. Here we go.
I'm ready for some free barbecue.
Oh yeah, that barbecue and that.
And that beer/wine.
I'm saying you.
Did you
they have wine?
Yeah, it's like beer / wine.
Cause
I ain't
about some,
I ain't gonna get none.
It said,
Yeah, no, I ain't gonna.
barbecue with beer/wine.
Oh,
Yeah,
yes.
I ain't gonna drink none, but you know they got it.
What's
Ain't that right, OG?
You heard her, she said, oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Say something about some wine. Yeah, that's her cup of tea or her cup of wine. I guess I should say.
She told her wanted to be here too, but she
It's wine Wednesdays.
Here we go. I'm not finna record the whole way because OG had us walking by. Oh man, $27 a party. That was crazy. We didn't pay that. That's why we walking.
I'm surprised we went
That's $27 a part. Here we go. We finna walk in the stadium. So I holla at you. Here we go. Like I said, about to walk into the stadium. You can kind of see it a little bit. Like, yeah. Not really. But yeah, just a little bit of downtown. They go to Peabody. Don't do it. You know what I'm saying? Just downtown, finna go ahead and get that free barbecue. And yeah. Free barbecue, baby. Baby said she gonna get on that wine.
Like a damn tourist
She
and
gonna
shit.
get on the wine. Oh yeah, I can't believe you ain't already. He that boy, he be taking a billion pictures of everything. Like, boy, golly.
Of himself, mostly.
Here we go. Here we go. On the thing. I ain't taking nothing out of my pocket.
Take it out.
I ain't taking that. Finna get ready to head out, man. As you can see. Yes, sir. They got us up on the party deck. Party. Look what the field look like. Yes, sir. Oh, you know, more work events definitely gonna happen. Hey there, down here, bike night tonight. Look. I wish I had my bike.
What am I looking at?
Yes, sir. Down Bill. See what's going on. Bike night. What it is? You gotta go get your bike on, G, man.
Let me go get my bike back.
Bike night, man. You see? Hey, YouTube, I don't own none of the rights to this music. But it's bike night. Want somebody on the other end? You trying to go back? You trying to come back around?
Yeah, they done down there.
You finna go get your bike? Come back down
Yeah,
here?
I'm gonna get my shit, nigga. Man, go get home and go to sleep.